In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Play purchase errors caused by country or region mismatches. First, check that your Google Payments profile country matches your Play Store country. You can review this in your Google Payments account and update it if you're eligible. Next, make sure you have a valid payment method added for that country. Open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then Account and Device Preferences, and check the Country and Profiles section. If the option is available, select the correct country and follow the prompts to confirm the change. If the country option doesn't appear, clear the Google Play Store cache and data from your device settings, then reopen the app and try again. After updating your country and payment method, test a small purchase to make sure everything is working properly. If the issue persists, wait up to 24 hours for Google systems to update, then try again. That's how you can fix Google Play purchase errors related to country settings. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.